Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new Podsplice app in Canva. And first of all, you're going to have to find it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's go. If you're logged into Canva, which I am, you go to More, Apps, and then just search for Podsplice. Oh, I should spell it correctly, I guess. Podsplice. There you go. And we will use this in an existing design. You can use a new design as well, but this will just make it easier because I already have it set up. Let's just see. There's an untitled design, I think, somewhere. Okay, so this is loaded up, and you can see the normal. There's no preview because it's a video actually, and we'll just close that for a second. And this is the idea. So it's just a video of a cloud moving. This is stock footage from Canva, and you can just see this. So if you want to add B-roll footage like images or videos in this case to Podsplice for further editing, you can now do this with the bridge, essentially, the app in Canva for Podsplice. So we can name it. We're already connected. Well, I'll disconnect just to show you how to do it. So in my case, I'll connect with my Google account and just wait for a second. And then it should show if you have an account, it'll show if you have one. If you don't, it'll show you that you can go to podsplice.com and connect. So now I am connected. So here's my video. It was actually 10 seconds. I made it a bit shorter. I trimmed it to get over their copyright laws just to make sure that I modified something, but that's not a big deal. Anyway, let's just name it. We'll call it Clouds. And then we will publish the design, and you'll see it if it's working. So it'll say publishing your content. And we'll just wait. It is a video, so it does take a little bit of time, but not too much. And you'll see the progress bar anyway. And if it was an image, it would be faster, of course. But now, oh, your content has been published. Let's check it out. So I'm already logged in at Podsplice. So we'll check in the imports, Canva, and there you go. You can see the clouds right there. So now it's in Podsplice. So for the screen recording videos or podcasts or whatever you want to use this, you can now use this footage and use for B-roll, make your screen recording videos just a little bit cooler because you can add it to your timelines. And I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial, but that's the basic idea. Once you have them imported, you can use it within Podsplice, anything in the editor itself. So it's in there. It's in your gallery now. Anything that you made in Canva, now that's what the new app is. It's a bridge. And you can also go the other way with social, and you can push it back if you wanted to. For example, you wanted to share this, you can send any of your Podsplice designs to Canva as well. If you weren't connected, it would allow you to connect this way as well. So it works both ways. You can bring stuff in from Canva, but you can also create things in Podsplice, your video podcast, especially, which Canva doesn't have for interviews. You can now import them and then further edit directly in Canva as well. So it works both ways. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions because this is a new feature, if you have any issues, and that's it.